Convert 4,208 base 10 to base 7. Solution. Then we draw a table. Very important. Now, we put 4,208 here. What base? We are converting to base 7. Write 7 here. Now, 42 divided by 7. What will you have? That's 6. 0 divided by 7. That's what? 0. 8 divided by 7. 1. And that's remainder what? 1. Now, we divide by 7. 60 divided by 7. 8. 8 times 7 is what? 56. So take away 56 from 60. You have 4. Put the 4 in front of 1. We have 41. So 41 divided by 7. 5. Now, 85 times 7. 595. Take away from 601. We have remainder what? 6. Then, we divide by 7 again. How many 7 will you see in 85? That's 12. Because 12 times 7 is 84. So, remainder what? 1. We divide by 7 again. 12 divided by 7. 1. Remainder what? 5. Then we divide by 7 again. What do we have? 1 divided by 7. 0. Remainder what? Remainder 1. Now we take it from bottom to up. Take note of that. We now conclude our answer. We have to convert what? 4,208 in base 10 to what base now? To base 7. So we write our answer from bottom. The first digit here is what? 1. Followed by 5. 1. 6. 1. And what base? Base 7. That is the solution to the problem.